Two of the biggest names in life insurance are facing off: New York Life and Haven Life. Big promises, but only one can truly stand out. Which one really delivers? On the left, the time-tested traditional powerhouse, New York Life, and on the right, the digital-first modern challenger, Haven Life. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters for you. We'll award points in each category, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. So here's how we're gonna compare the two. We'll hit all the biggies: price and value, application process, coverage options, customer experience, and yeah, can't forget financial strength. Let's dive right into the first one. Okay, kicking things off with price and value. First up, we have New York Life. Now, these guys offer super comprehensive permanent and term policies, and they've got some really strong cash value options if you're someone thinking long-term. But be ready for higher premiums, especially if you go whole life. So it's premium quite literally. Next, Haven Life. This is where things get interesting. They're all about low-cost term life. Everything's really straightforward, no sneaky hidden fees. You can get quotes online, and honestly, it's so wallet-friendly it's kind of wild. Downside, you don't get those permanent life options, but if price is your main game, Haven Life's got the edge here. Alright, on to the application process. New York Life first. They keep it classic, so you get that in-person guidance from agents. Some people love that, and you can really tailor your policy. But man, get ready to deal with more paperwork, and it can take a while. If you're not big on forms or waiting, Haven Life just zooms past here. Everything's digital. You get instant online quotes blitz through the application, and if you're healthy, you might not even need a medical exam. No hand-holding though, so if you want face-to-face, that's a trade-off. But the convenience factor? Haven Life wins. Now let's talk coverage options. This is where New York Life flexes, honestly. We're talking whole, term, universal, variable. They've got a freaking menu of policies, and you can tack on custom riders like disability or long-term care. It can get kinda complicated, almost too many choices, but if you want flexibility, it's awesome. Contrast that with Haven Life, super simple, just term up to 3 million, a few basic riders. If you just want something quick and don't care about permanent coverage, great. But if you want flexibility and options, New York Life is hands down the winner here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the oldest active life insurer was founded all the way back in 1759? That's like before electricity was a thing. Wild, right? Switching gears to customer experience. Let's start with New York Life. It's a legacy brand, right? People trust them, and you get long-term support from agents, which is pretty reassuring. But let's be real, it can feel a little old-fashioned, and their digital game isn't the quickest. Now with Haven Life, you get an insanely good digital dashboard, top-rated customer support, everything's super transparent. The only catch is they don't really have that in-person presence. So if you're cool online, Haven Life's easy to love, but if you need that personal touch, New York Life won't let you down either. Honestly, gotta call this one a tie, two very different styles that both work depending on what you want. Last but super important, financial strength. With New York Life, you get A++ from AM Best. That's like elite status, 170 years in the business, lots of cash reserves. It's basically the definition of stability. Haven Life is newer, but here's the thing, they're backed by MassMutual, also super strong with an A++ rating. The only thing is, with claims, you're working with Haven, which is separate from MassMutual. So if long-term security is huge for you, New York Life definitely edges this category out. Let's actually look at how both stack up across all those categories. Imagine a radar chart with New York Life dominating on coverage and financial strength, while Haven Life shines in price and wow, that digital convenience factor. So what's the final word? If you care most about having tons of policy options, long-term security, and you want that agent there with you, New York Life is the classic go-with-confidence pick. But if you're all about saving money, want zero hassle from your couch, and you don't need all the extras, Haven Life is the clear, modern choice. Both solid but pretty different vibes. Find this useful? If you want more side-by-side breakdowns like this, go ahead and subscribe for more financial comparisons.